How to order online for delivery on Domino's Pizza website. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Domino's on your device. Then select delivery or pickup at the top. After you've selected delivery or pickup at the top, it will lead you to this page. Here, I've selected delivery, so add the location of your delivery. After you've selected the location for delivery, press on select address. After you've selected the address, delivery now or delivery later, select the one you prefer. After you've selected the delivery spaces, here select what you want from the menu and press on add to order. After everything is added to your order, on the right side, scroll down and click on finish order. After you've clicked on finish order in here, add your details, which is your name, mobile number, and email address, and press on confirm. After you've confirmed in here, you will need to add your payment method if it's available. It's not available in my region, so there's no option, but add payment method and order your food from Domino's Pizza. This is how to order online for delivery on Domino's Pizza website. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.